Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be replacing the front passenger side torque mount on my 2009 Nissan Altima. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the mount here that we're going to be replacing. As you can see, it is all torn up, the bushing. So this is the reason why we have to replace it, because it's all torn up already, causing excess stress on the other bushings or other mounts on the engine. So I don't see any additional wear on the other mounts yet, so it's only this one that needs to be replaced. So we're just going to be replacing this one. Alright, so before we get started, we want to put some support on the oil pan there. This is so that when you remove the mount, the engine doesn't like fall or anything like that. So just a little bit of support. You don't have to jack it up or anything. It's just as long as it's wedged in there holding it up. That's all right. So to start, we're gonna have to remove this mount. In order to remove this mount, it's only held on by two bolts. One over here, as you can see, and one at the top there. So in order to get access to this bolt, we will need to remove this reservoir. So just move it out of the way. And it is held on in the back there. All you have to do is unclip it. Then we're gonna have to remove this area here, these two bolts, so that this strut rod, this strut bar or whatever, will be able to lift up, because we won't be able to get this bolt out without lifting this up. There's just not enough clearance. So we're gonna do that, and then we should be able to pull this mount right out afterwards. All right, to unclip the power steering reservoir, there's a back piece right here. You just pop this out and just lift. And it should come right out like that. And then you should be able to move it forward enough, like that, to get enough clearance to this bolt. So we'll leave it loose, and then we'll pull it forward when we need to take this bolt out. All right, next we're gonna loosen this one. This is a 18 millimeter. There we go. That's loosened. Let's loosen this one as well. Same bolt, 18 millimeters. There we go. Loose. Now what we have to do is we have to get something under here. We have to pry it up a little bit. I don't want to scratch the paint, so I'll just do it like this with a rag. And you should be able to get enough leverage in there to get this bolt out. Like that. It's out. With that done, we should be able to just pop it out like so. As you can see, it is pretty cracked right there. All right, here's a look at the mount, the new one versus the old one. This is the OEM one. This is a non-OEM mount, but the rubber itself is like brand new, so should work for the application. The mount does look a slight bit different, but not by a whole lot. I think it looks generally about the same. Yeah, it sits a little different, as you can see right here, because this is not lined up, but this could be because this thing is all worn out. So we'll put this one in, see how it goes. All right, so to install, you just do it in reverse order. Now these bolts here are going to be torqued down to 63 foot-pounds. The one up here, I think, is 22 foot-pounds, and this one's 26 foot-pounds. Can't remember. I'll have to double check the specs before I torque them now, but let's just put this in reverse order. All right, here's the blue Loctite. Just gonna add a little bit onto the threads. like so. There you go, should be good. Don't need a whole lot. And then we'll pry this up. This way. Alright, next one is lining up this one. Again, some blue Loctite on this one as well. Fit this in. Go. Now that that's back, we could clip this back on, power steering, pump, reservoir. Now we'll torque these two down. Yeah, so this top one is 22 foot-pounds. Good. And then this bottom one is 26. There you go, guys. The front passenger side torque mount is replaced. Pretty easy process. The toughest part was really just removing that top bolt because of the strut bar part. Aside from that, pretty straightforward because everything is right there out in the open for you to replace. Hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.